Hey guys, so it's you back into another video, and guys, this video I'm gonna make you guys see my Skyblock world. So let's just get into it. Oh, you are not supposed to see that right at the moment, but we will go from here. And guys, this is not my spawn. I bet you. See, I'm going to be dropping myself into the abyss. Flip, 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 flip. Okay, so going down. Okay, so I am down, but I will not lose any of my stuff. And I got diamond armor. Yeah, guys, so this is my spawn. I fall from up there. 1 second. Yeah, so I fall from up there. There was some network issue. I was just doing this. Then we stand over here. We fall from up there. Then we get a really cheap kind of a thingy magical pantry, and with a block, a really amazing block which I got for free insanely. Then we have a trading area up here. It looks like a trading area, but it looks like a really cheap trading area, but it's not. You'll see. See, doesn't it look good? Then we have a purple window to see the view and have some sunlight in here. Then we also had a torch somewhere. Yeah, we had a torch over here. Then we have some glass just for architecture over here and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to close this door. I'm going to go down. Then if we exit over here, then this is just the trading place. Then if we go over here, we first have a mine over here. Then we have the waiting area over here where the my friends and the nearby players, they all wait for me, and then I make them come in and stuff like that. So you are not supposed to see up right now because I'm building something really amazing. Well, you might have heard that Divi, he's a parkour god, guys. I know Preston. He's really good at parkour in Minecraft, but I am good at parkour in Blockman Go. So yeah, I'm stuck at parkour in Minecraft because I don't really know how to parkour with those difficult keys. That's just difficult. I am Gucci with my iPad. So guys, after that there comes a bit of staircase which leads to nowhere and which goes to nowhere and which is nowhere. Then we move around on this. Guys, I've made this big circles which if we want to we can move around. So I'm gonna just make you guys see this. 3, 2, 1. 1 second. See this. Guys, yes. It is a freaking nether portal. It is a freaking nether portal, guys. And unfortunately, there is no flint and steel in Blockman Go, so I did not have to do this, but I have done this architecture just for you guys. 1 second, let me grab. Okay, good. I have a really good block. I have one good block. I'm gonna just parkour over here. Then I have made this all. I made this all. I don't wanna use my good stuff, man. Okay, so then. Okay, by the way, I use a screen recorder app. Okay, so I'm gonna make you guys see my editing video too. Okay, that is why right now it came. Okay, so let's just go home and it will be a really big shortcut. Now guys, I think I should make you guys see my house and then the farm, or the farm then the house, and then the toilet. Toilet is also there, guys, no worries. And oh, I totally forgot, you guys see my cobblestone gen. I shifted it from there to here. I will just go in and see, and I remove the glass from top too, so that just that. And then I have a basement area and it is totally confidential, but you guys are also confidential, so I'm gonna make you guys see it all. But once I just died, so I'm gonna make it get resetted. And guys, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry for this lagging recording, but that's it. That's not my problem, guys. That's the app which I use. I record this problem. I recorder. If you are hearing this, please fix this bug in your app. Please do so. And guys, I recommend you to not use VRecord. It's the world's most worst app to use any screen recording. Then I have this stuff over here, just randomly a chest put it here. Then I have my bed closed, yeah. Then I have this my house. This is my house. There's a seats over here. There's some architecture over here. Just kidding. Then there's a flower pot with no flowers. Then there's my bed over here. And if I want to sleep, I sleep like this. And then if I want to wake up when the morning is there, this wakes me up. Right now it's night, so I will go to sleep later on. But then I have a chest over here with all this stuff. Then I have, guys, I just wanted to make you guys see this. See my slabs, aren't these amazing? Okay, so I just wanted to make you guys see. I just love these slabs. Okay, don't judge me, guys, don't judge me. Then if we get out of there, we have the washroom over here. Then we need to do this. We wash our hands. And don't see, guys, this is for poop. Okay, this is for poop, don't see. Just kidding. Okay, then if we go up here, we have two doors over here, one door over here. So first we're gonna make you guys see these two doors, and I'm gonna make you guys see where do they lead. First, don't see that one. Okay, first this door, it leads to the smaller farm. What is this? Okay. Nothing. This leads to the smaller farm. And this door, and this leads to, okay, this one lead to the smaller farm. Then this one leads us to this staircase, which we can go this. Okay, so just climb up. And what is written on this? Nothing. Okay, good. Okay, then I am a parkour god, so I've made everything based on parkour. Okay, my whole world is parkour. It is just a parkour. Okay, it is nothing else. Then I have a good flower over here, some leaves flying up here. My farm is currently, my bigger farm is currently empty. So sorry for that, guys, because I used all my seeds on this and I don't really use G cubes. You might be thinking that if I don't use G cubes, then how did I get 2 crosses? That's the next story. And then I've tried every single freaking thing, none of them work. I have done the give me gem please trick. I have done every single freaking trick, but none of them freaking work. Now it's time for the basement. That's why I got myself right. So the basement is totally confidential. If I make you guys see, I don't think so I shall, but I will just do so. Okay, so just do over here and place a block above me, and then a block over here. And guys, if you are not in co-build, or if you are not me myself, then you need to be coming from here. Shall I show it to you guys? Because I'm going to make all my best freaking chests in here. Once again, the game is like, okay, now it's good. Then I have this good little big chilling area. Should I show it to you guys? Yes, I shall. Okay, so the entry to this place is from my cobblestone gen. Yep, guys, cobblestone gen. There are some, sorry for that, because there's some stuff over there going on out there, and I'm right next to it. So yeah, I wanna bear it, and you too. You guys, so I have a good. I'm gonna make you guys see it. I don't have any other choice, guys. I'm so sorry, but I want to make you guys see it. I have a diamond block over here. See, I have a good 100 by 100 area, and I don't really use G cubes. So yeah, that is it for this. And now I'm gonna just go ahead. As today's video looks really small, I'm gonna make you guys see this parkour too. You guys, so I made this parkour, and I'm gonna complete it with you guys in the next video. Just stay tuned, okay? Just do it. And yeah, let me think. If I did not make you guys see this, I have a pool too, guys. Hooray! Pools are so freaking important. Now after that, I have this fake parkour. I just have this, and guys, this is a defense wall, because most of the attacks come from that side. You know, guys, in my world, Skyblock world, they always come attacks. I don't know why, but they come. Okay, so I need to defend myself, and that's why I've built this wall over there, which I just showed to you guys, and then this shield kind of a thingamajigger, because some attacks come from there too, only a bit. That is why I made the waiting area over there. So guys, if you like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel because we'll see more amazing videos from now on. And guys, please visit my house. You will like it. I'm gonna do something else too, and you may like video. Okay guys, so like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because more amazing videos will be getting uploaded from now on. So guys, bye. I think this is it for today's video. So yeah.